Hello folks, Omar Gonzalez here with Adorama TV, and today we're taking a look at this little Today we're going to take a look at the new Fujifilm X-M5. All right, let's give you a quick tour around the camera. On the top right, we have our mode dial, which allows you to switch between photo and video, and you'll also have customizable slots to save your favorite settings. There's a large red record button, we have a front dial and a rear dial, we have a little Q button, and on the left we have our film simulation dial, which we saw introduced with the Fujifilm X-T50. This allows you to quickly cycle through your film simulations, and you can add up to 3 additional ones. These film simulations work both in photo and video. Guys, sorry if I'm a little negative in this vlog. This is nostalgic neg. Classic negative. I'm in Acros. This is me vlogging in Reala Ace. This is classic chrome. I'm not gonna be tough in this vlog because it's Ostia soft. Sorry, all these simulation jokes have been very cheesy. By the way, this is Belvia film simulation. And this is what I use most. This is Provia, standard film simulation, vlogging and Provia film simulation. On the back, we have a fully articulating bright touchscreen. We have a joystick, a variety of buttons, and a rear mic jack. On the side, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-C, and a micro HDMI port. Guys, are you picking up the camera? If so, head to the description and get it from Adorama. That's right, put it in your cart right now and order it from Adorama. Adorama. Thank you. Now there is optical. Ooh, that guy just ran over a glass. Hopefully his tire's okay. Make sure you didn't pop anything. Oh yeah. No, that happened to me once, a Snapple bottle. The X-M5 is also compatible with Fujifilm's tripod grip, which allows you to control the camera and makes recording just a little easier. The X-M5 features 3 built-in microphones with 4 pickup patterns: surround, front priority, back priority, or front and back priority. Hi, now we're in South Street Seaport, which is beautiful, peaceful, and has boats. Hi, we're in South Street Seaport here. It's a beautiful day, it's wonderful, and did I mention there are boats? So we're here in downtown Manhattan. We have 2 bridges here. We have the Brooklyn Bridge here and the Manhattan Bridge over here. You can't sit there. Now, if you want to vlog from a little further away, you can actually put on a little external microphone and move further away. You see? So I'm vlogging all the way from back here now. So this is a great option, and also the mic jack is placed in a convenient location just to keep the cable away from the screen. Good thinking, Fujifilm. They say the best camera you have is the one with you, but that's not true if you have your phone. The X-M5's 26 megapixel sensor is 16 times larger than most phone camera sensors. This is especially important if you record in low light environments. But if you're looking to step up your production over your phone, this is a really good option. Good morning, guys. I'm here out by the Brooklyn Bridge, just enjoying the morning, and it's so beautiful out here. Now, if you're a vertical content creator, and if that made you cringe, that just means you're old. There's some pretty cool features if you are a vertical content creator. The first one is that you don't need to shoot the camera vertically. The camera actually has vertical guidelines, and there's enough megapixels in this camera that will make the videos phone ready and social media ready. And if you're gonna make your TikToks and your shorts, there are timers. You can actually have a timer for 15 seconds, for 30 seconds, and you can also delay record, which means you could set up, get to your spot, and record your amazing TikTok. Now, if you don't want to shoot vertically, you can shoot normal like I am right now, and there's enough megapixels, like I said, where you can actually make this a vertical video just by cropping in later. You can also use the full sensor, and that gives you a little bit of flexibility. It's incredible that this tiny camera can shoot open gate when there's cameras that are way more expensive that don't even have that option. So if you're looking for an affordable, everyday carry camera, maybe a little street camera that also makes it super easy to capture incredible videos, the Fujifilm X-M5 may just be what you've been waiting for.